Music Theory, a complete course from grades 1 to 5. Lesson 4.10, Writing and Recognizing Chords. The chords you will need to know for grade 4 ABRSM Music Theory are those built on the tonic, the subdominant and the dominant. For Trinity College Music Theory, the dominant chord is introduced in grade 3 and the subdominant in grade 4. You will remember that these are the first, the fourth and the fifth degrees of the scale. Previously, you have come across the tonic triad, where a chord was built on the key note, the tonic, using the first, third and fifth degrees of the scale. The principle is the same for the two new chords, but you just need to build the chord starting on the fourth or fifth degree of the scale. Here are the three triads in the key of E major. There are two other things to bear in mind in this topic. Firstly, in a minor key, the dominant triad contains the seventh degree of the scale, and you will remember that the seventh note of a harmonic minor is raised. So, for example, in the scale of E minor, the seventh note is raised to D sharp. This seventh degree of the scale occurs in the dominant triad, and so the dominant triad contains a D sharp. In fact, the middle note of the dominant triad in any minor key is raised. Secondly, you need to be aware that triads may be written in open position, which means that all the notes might not necessarily be close to each other. They may even cover two clefs. The trick to recognizing the chord easily is to look at the bass note. Both the chords here, for example, are a tonic triad of C major. The first one is in close position and the second one in open position. Now, let's see how much of this you have understood. Could you name these chords in open position, given that the key is that of D flat major? The first one is chord 5. The second is chord 1. And the third is chord 4. Now I'll see you in the next video by clicking the card on the left, or if you want more practice on this topic, click the card on the right.